morning everyone! Welcome to our vlog. Today is Saturday morning. So, hi girls! Good morning! Yeah, so if you wanna legit agency, please come to us. Homemade agency in Singapore lang. Sa Singapore lang talaga guys, pero sa Pilipinas is Excel Green Card. So, welcome kayo dito. Welcome guys. So, ayan na yung mga bagong arrival natin. Yan. So, they are so pretty. You see. Maraming salamat guys. Basta iyan lang. Today is Saturday and is November 2nd. November na tayo. At hopefully na lahat ng blessings ng November makukuha natin. So, welcome November. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. So, mag-ingat kayo palagi and bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat. Bye!